Let's get started into week 5 of quarter 1, continuing our intro to color theory. The supplies you'll need for this project will be crayons or color pencils. Let's start with our secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. Let's start with our secondary color worksheet. First thing we're going to do is write our name up at the top of the paper. And we're going to start with the top crayon, and we are going to color that orange. The next color crayon we're going to color will be green. Let's remember to try to stay inside the lines, using this as practice. And our last color will be the purple crayon. Now that all of our crayons have been filled in, we are going to use a pen. Our next worksheet, we're going to practice color mixing one more time. Let's start by putting our name up at the top of the paper. And the colors we're going to need for this worksheet will be red, blue, and yellow. So we're going to start with the first circle, and you'll see that the word red is written over top. So we're going to fill in this entire circle red. Our next circle is labeled yellow, so let's fill that one in completely yellow. Next, we're going to see what happens when we mix red and yellow together. So we're going to first start by putting red inside of the circle. Followed by yellow. And you'll see we get the color orange, so red plus yellow equals orange. Moving down to the next set of circles, we're going to start with the color blue. Next, we have the color yellow. And when we mix our primary color blue with our primary color yellow, we get our secondary color green. We're not going to use the green crayon though. We are going to mix these colors on the paper. I noticed some of you last week used your secondary colors instead of mixing your primaries. We want to mix the primaries, not use the secondary colors just yet. And as you can see, we've mixed blue and yellow, and we've gotten our secondary color green. Our final set of circles will be our primary color blue plus our primary color red. And mixing those two colors together will give us our secondary color purple. Again, remember to use your primary colors and mix them together. Do not use your secondary color crayons. If you have some time when you're finished, you can color in the little paint palette. But right now what I'm going to do is show you how to make your secondary colors with primary colors in Play-Doh and paint. So if you notice I have pink, I did not have red Play-Doh, but pink would be the closest. So I'm just going to take some small amounts of Play-Doh out and I'm going to show you how to mix your secondary colors. So starting with your three primary colors of blue, yellow, and red. We're going to mix those together. So red plus yellow should give us orange. Orange. I'm going to make it a little bit lighter and just add a little bit more red to that. Blue plus yellow should give us green. So I'm going to mix my blue and yellow together. I'm already starting to get a green color. And last, blue plus red will give us purple. I did add a little bit more of the red or pink because it was so light. This way it gave me a nice color purple. And that is how you can mix your primary colors in Play-Doh to get your secondary colors in Play-Doh. Up next, I'm going to show you how to mix paint using primary colors. So mixing red with yellow gives me my secondary color orange. And next, I'm going to mix blue and yellow, get my secondary color green, and finally blue and red will give me my secondary color purple. So as you can see, if you have time at home, you can mix your Play-Doh colors and paint colors, practicing mixing your primaries to get your secondary colors. Finally, let's move on to our last worksheet, where we actually put all of our colors on the color wheels. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Let's start with pencil, putting our name up at the top of the paper. And then we're going to move to the bottom of the paper and trace the words, "My Color Wheel." Again, we want to get practice with our color words and reading our color words. So we're going to start by tracing the color word red, and then we will color in the hearts with our red crayon. We're going to use our pencil again to trace the color word orange. And when we're finished, we will use our orange crayon to color in the carrots. Using our pencil again, tracing the color word yellow. Then using our yellow crayon or color pencil to color in the yellow stars. Let's trace the color word green next. Trace your color word blue, and then you can use your blue crayon to color in the blue jays. And last, we have our color word purple. And then you can use your purple crayon to color in the grapes. And now we have our colors on a color wheel. This is going to be very helpful to us in the future. When you're finished, don't forget to submit your assignment on Schoology. Click that like button, guys, and have a great day.